jobs and training for our youngsters, so the economy will improve and everybody will feel better about themselves.
My name is Maria Mesa, and the Wales I would like to see is a Wales which is sustainable, and is just, and is equal and diverse.
My name's Anna, and Wales I would like to see would be one where the economy is not based on growth and profit, but more on people's well-being, their health and happiness, and the environment, awareness of the environment.
My name's Penny, and the Wales I want is somewhere safe, where children, women and men, of course, can walk the streets safely and enjoy life.
Fy enw I ydy Rhian Conic a hoffwn i Gymru lle mae cyfartaledd I bawb.
My name is Carolyn Hitt. I want a Wales where women have equal representation at every level of decision making.
Fy enw I yw Sarah Thomas a hoffwn I Gymru sy'n ddiogel I fy mlant ac I pawb arall yn y wlad.
My name is Sonia Klein, and the Wales I want will be full of women entrepreneurs creating a new economic engine for the United Kingdom right here at home in Wales.
Fy enw yw Ann Jones a hoffen I Gymru lle mae hanes yn rhan o'r cwricwlwm o Gymru.